Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, and of course also into some altcoins, because right now the show is over in the altcoins. Bitcoin is going sideways here at around $120,000. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, check out all my other social media platforms, and of course guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you. This is no financial advice, this is only my own predictions, price TA and so on, whatever we are covering in this video. Also, if you want to check out these Box Chain guys, currently they have this pre-market phase going on. They are launching their own coin, and here on Box Chain, as long as it's in the pre-market phase, you can try out those AI signals, you can also stake those coins, you can get every 24 hours free coins here if you are just tuning in here. So definitely give it a try and check out here their AI model basically, and of course also those AI signals here for different altcoins as well. All links in the video description. Also here for Box Chain, you're gonna find it here in the new upcoming crypto projects that are basically now upcoming. So here for Bitcoin, guys, we had this breakout to the upside from this falling resistance line here, and right now Bitcoin had here a little push to the upside. My target was here $123,000, but unfortunately right now we are getting already some sell signals, so it looks like that the move eventually is over and that over the next coming hours we're going sideways or down. That is possible, but Bitcoin is of course still in an uptrend. Here on the daily time frame, we still don't have any daily close above the top side of the candle channel, so as long as this is the case, we can at any time come back down to retest the median line, and currently it is at around 114k, perfectly matching with our CME gap that is still open. So yes, I still expect that at some point we're gonna most likely come down to at least close the CME gap at 114k, or at least come back down and then of course bounce again back up, because the uptrend is still intact, and as long as this is the case, of course it is good to hold or buy more, at least in my opinion. And that's why all kind of weaknesses or little pullbacks, in my opinion, right now are good buy or long opportunities, especially if you're trading over on Bybit, for example, here, or Maxi Global and so on. You're gonna find all exchanges where you can trade with leverage here in the video description: Bybit, Binance, Phemex, and so on. Some of them require a KYC, some of them not, but if you sign up with my links, you get some extra deposit bonuses. So on the weekly time frame, also here, everything is still pointing out to the upside. So far, everything is looking basically with green light, that we should expect much higher levels. And something that also we have to keep an eye on is here the Bitcoin dominance, because this one here on the weekly time frame is just about to start to crash down. And I think it's getting interesting once we see weekly closes below the 50 weekly moving average, because since this run started, basically we never came down below the 50 weekly moving average. Also here we bottomed out, and then immediately we have seen continuation to the upside. So if here we're gonna have weekly closes below the 50 weekly moving average, it is possible that we're gonna continue to fall to much lower levels, so towards the 200 weekly and 100 weekly moving average, and that of course would mean that we're gonna see a really big altcoin season. And that's why right now I'm looking out for some good alts, and therefore of course we need Ethereum to push towards new all-time highs, because I think, or as I also told you in different videos in the past, guys, especially if you go to my channel and watch the older videos when Ethereum was still down here, I told you that the big altcoin season will start once Ethereum is breaking into new all-time highs. And I think that right now with this move we have the best chance to do that, because Ethereum is breaking through all kind of resistance immediately. And the last one is here at $4,200. I think that once we break above this resistance, $4,200 on the daily and weekly scale, we're gonna go to much higher levels, probably way above $10,000 per Ethereum. And I think that this move will most likely happening very soon. And that's why right now I'm buying into altcoins. Some of them will perform better, some of them less. We have, for example, also Dogecoin today plus 10%, Mudang plus 4%, and so on. We have a bunch of new meme coins, of course, as well, that are pumping nicely. Also the bigger ones like Doge or Pepe, for example, also here. You can see that also we are breaking out to the upside from this resistance trend line that we had in the last couple of weeks. So everywhere we are seeing the same structure, nice breakouts to the upside. And that's why if you see some kind of weaknesses somewhere, little pullbacks and so on, take it as a good buy, long opportunity, and of course DCA into whatever coin that you want to invest. Of course, no financial advice, guys, but I think that this is just the beginning of a massive altcoin season as well. And therefore, most of the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin short term, but I'm taking all my gains that I'm doing with the altcoins, of course, into Bitcoin for the long term. And we have also new upcoming coins like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900, and others, of course, that already came out, that already pumped a lot. Of course, you can jump into those new coins as well if you want, but remember, they are extremely high risk, and I like to buy into those coins before they're coming out and not whenever the pump is already happened. And therefore, I'm currently buying into Token 6900. This should be the next one after SPX 6900 that also had a massive launch here. So I'm buying currently also into this one here. You can also stake it, and if you want to get access to it, then of course use the link here in the video description for Token 6900. We have also Bitcoin Hyper and so on. Currently there is a big trend around those new meme coins that are coming out, and this Token 6900 is basically like a pure meme coin and nothing else, and that's why I'm buying into this one right now. Then also Bitcoin Hyper is a new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, and here you can see that the API also is falling down rapidly, and that is because more and more people are jumping on board here. Fortunately, the API is still quite high, so also here you can accumulate a lot of coins. And here the same story. If you want to invest in it, then of course use the link in the video description to end up on the safe website here, and then of course you can buy with, you can connect your DeFi wallet and buy with Tether, Binance, Ethereum, and so on. You can directly stake the coins here as well. Also, Bitcoin Hyper is of course currently getting mentioned in different crypto websites. It is very hyped. It is everywhere ranked #1 now. Somehow those layer 2 on Bitcoins are now extremely popular, and that's why I bought also into this one here. And last but not least, also we have a completely new section here, basically play to earn crypto games, and Meme Clip is the best one here based on this ranking, and Meme Clip is already bringing out some games. So here we have already this game out, Subway Meme Rush. More games are coming up as well, so this one has already some games that are quite popular, and also their own coin, their native coin that you can collect in those games will be launching also in the next coming weeks and months. They are starting right now with the first stage, basically the pre-market phase of their own coins. You can also stake it for a high API, and this one also will come out in the next coming weeks and months. You can directly buy them here on their website, the coins. You can also here connect the wallet, or you just play the games and connect or collect those coins directly in the game. This is also what you can do, but otherwise you can of course directly also invest into those coins. You're gonna find all links in the video description, guys, if you want to check it out. Of course, they are always high risk, those new coins, but I like to buy into them, and then of course also keep staking them to accumulate more and more coins, and then at launch, of course, ready to take some profits once they're gonna pump nicely. Hopefully, we will see what happens, guys. But that's it for now. I'm gonna keep you updated also on some altcoins as well, so stay tuned, be subscribed here, guys. We're gonna do separate videos for Ethereum, XRP, and so on, Solana, because I think that right now we have to keep an eye on also into the altcoins and not just for Bitcoin. Alright, guys, all links in the video description to all new upcoming crypto projects and so on, all exchanges that I'm using. If you use my links here to sign up to all those trading tools and so on, you can even do crypto mining here if you want to try that out. Then of course check out all links in the video description. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.